Need help starting the Windows 10 refresh conversation with your customers? You're not alone, and that's exactly why Data created the Windows 11 Readiness Assessment Tool. This tool automatically transforms the data you upload into a clear, easy-to-read report that shows you exactly where your customers stand and what to do next. You'll get a breakdown of devices already running Windows 11, devices running Windows 10 that are eligible for upgrade, devices that need further investigation, devices that aren't compatible with Windows 11, estimated costs for replacing devices, and guidance on extended security updates, ESU. And the best part? You can generate this free report in just 2 simple steps. Step 1. Export your data. Export your device data from Microsoft Intune, Active Directory, SCCM, or PC Health Check. Not sure how? We've got step-by-step guides available on the Data portal under the Windows 11 section. Step 2. Upload your data. Once you've exported your data, upload it into our secure Windows 11 Readiness tool. That's it. Your report will be generated instantly. With this tool, you'll be equipped to have detailed conversations. Start your Windows 11 Readiness assessment for your customer today. Visit the Data portal to get started.